The German-made Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft system has proven to be an invaluable asset in Ukraine's defense against drone and low-flying aircraft threats. Originally developed in the 1960s and introduced in the 1970s, this Cold War-era system continues to show remarkable operational value in modern warfare. Despite its age, the Gepard remains an essential part of Ukraine's air defense strategy. At the heart of the Gepard's effectiveness are its twin 35mm Oerlikon KDA autocannons, capable of firing at a staggering 1,100 rounds per minute. This rapid firepower, combined with an effective engagement range of up to 4 kilometers, allows the Gepard to neutralize threats like drones with incredible speed and precision. One notable example includes the system shooting down Shahid suicide drones deployed by Russia, demonstrating its capability to respond quickly and decisively. The Gepard's radar system also plays a crucial role in its effectiveness. Equipped with both search and tracking radars, the Gepard can detect targets up to 15 kilometers away and track them with exceptional accuracy. The Ku-band tracking radar allows the system to lock onto small, fast-moving targets, such as drones, ensuring it remains highly relevant despite the rise of more advanced missile-based air defense systems. Mobility is another key strength of the Gepard. Built on the Leopard 1 tank chassis, the system offers protection while allowing for rapid repositioning, essential in protecting key infrastructure and strategic locations. With a top speed of 65 km per hour, the Gepard can quickly redeploy to areas under threat, making it a flexible and reliable air defense platform. Cost-effectiveness is also a major advantage of the Gepard. Unlike missile-based air defense systems, which are costly and limited in supply, the Gepard's autocannons offer a more affordable option for countering aerial threats. Ukrainian officials have highlighted the system's favorable cost-to-kill ratio, making it an efficient solution for dealing with an increasing number of drone attacks. Since its deployment in Ukraine, the Gepard has become a symbol of adaptability and resilience. Germany has pledged over 50 units, with additional contributions from the United States and Qatar. This steady supply of Gepards has played a crucial role in bolstering Ukraine's air defense capabilities. To further support the system's effectiveness, Germany has also worked with Rheinmetall to produce new 35mm rounds, overcoming supply chain challenges and ensuring that the Gepard remains operational. While the Gepard is a product of the Cold War, its performance in Ukraine has shown that it remains highly effective against smaller, more nimble aerial threats. Though newer technologies like missile and laser-based air defense systems may eventually replace systems like the Gepard, for now, it continues to play a vital role in Ukraine's defense efforts. With its combination of firepower, radar precision, mobility, and cost efficiency, the Gepard remains one of the most valuable air defense systems deployed by Germany in support of Ukraine's ongoing conflict.